how to download FIFA 22 in PC or Xbox. So if you want to download FIFA 22 in your PC or Xbox, then what you need to do is first you need to make sure that you have a stable internet connection. After that, you need to open up your browser, and on your browser you need to search for Steam. Now once you search for Steam, you'll get this kind of interface. You need to click on Welcome to Steam, and now you need to go with search, and here you need to search for FIFA 22. Once you find FIFA 22, you need to click on that. If it's available on your Steam, you need to click on FIFA 22 and then just scroll down a bit, and then you may have an option of download. You need to just simply click on the download option. But as you can see that you will have the notice right here, FIFA 22 is no longer available on the Steam store. So what you need to do is just simply go with a new tab, and here you need to search for MMOGA and then hit the enter, and then go with the first site, and here you need to go with search and search for FIFA 22. Once you find the Xbox version, you can just simply go and download it from here. It might cost you some bucks, but you'll be able to download it. That's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.